Are you tired of carpenter bees buzzing around your property, but don't want to harm them? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to show you how to get rid of carpenter bees without killing them. First, start by identifying the areas where carpenter bees are nesting, such as wooden structures or fences. Next, plug the holes with steel wool to prevent carpenter bees from re-entering their nests. Consider painting the wood surfaces with bright or dark colors, as carpenter bees are less attracted to these shades. You can also hang a fake nest nearby made of a paper bag or plastic to trick carpenter bees into thinking the area is already occupied. Fill a spray bottle with a mixture of water and peppermint oil, then spray it onto the wooden surfaces where carpenter bees are present. Alternatively, a mixture of vinegar and water can be sprayed to discourage carpenter bees from nesting. Another effective natural deterrent is almond oil, which can be applied to wooden surfaces using a cloth. Install carpenter bee traps near the infested areas, using wood blocks with pre-drilled holes and placing them strategically. Consider using sound devices that emit high-frequency sounds to deter carpenter bees, as they find these noises unpleasant.